Can you believe that I'm launching a collection? Because I can't. So guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Pressedaholic collection with Nail Addict LA. I will be showing you all the colors, how I use these polishes, why I love these polishes, all of the above, and I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful. I'm beyond belief that I have my own collection, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I've been holding off for a little while. I threw out some sneak peeks on Instagram just to show you guys that I was working on something, but it's finally here. I can't wait to share it with you. Also, really quick, I wanted to mention that we are going to be doing a giveaway for this collection. It will be on Friday. I will be posting on Pressedaholic, and I will be picking a winner to win the entire collection. So if you are not subscribed, then please do, and if you are not following me on Instagram, then please do as well. I cannot wait to pick a winner and choose someone to win my whole collection. But anyway, let's get into the video. Here are all 7 colors that you can expect to see in our collection. The first up is Kiss Me Now, next up is Sea Swing and Sun, next is Be My Baby, White Addict, Electric Pink, and Theist Extra. And here are also all of the swatches. Of course, the other gel polish is going to be the matte top coat, which you guys see me always talking about. I absolutely love Nail Addict's matte top coat. I think that it does such a phenomenal job and really gives you that matte finish without having to wipe, without having to do any of the extra work to really make it a matte top coat. And I really wanted to see that specific top coat in this collection. I also want you to see this collection as more of a basics collection. These are really fun colors that you can play around with, colors that I always see, colors that are really my go-to. So today we are also going to be doing a demo using these gel polishes. So here I am starting off with a 8-press full cover nail in long stiletto, and of course my practice finger, and I'm going to start off with the color Sea Swing and Sun. I really love this color because I feel like it's a perfect base color if you're doing any type of squiggly line design is what I like to say, and that is the design that we will be doing in this demo, but it's also perfect if you're doing a French set. Another thing with Nail Addict is that their pigmentation is bomb, okay? So the consistency is a little bit thicker, and I really like to just work the product in very thin coats. So that's why you'll see me kind of dipping in and doing very light coats when it comes to using their products. I also want to note that all Nail Addict gel polishes are completely vegan and cruelty free, so they never test their gel products or any of their products on animals, and they also have a 9-free formula, meaning that they remove 9 of the most harmful chemicals from their formula. It's actually astonishing to me when I started using Nail Addict because I noticed a complete difference in the smell of their products, where it's not a super overwhelming aroma. Some of them even smell like bubblegum, which I think that I'm crazy for saying, but it's absolutely amazing. And if you have super sensitive skin or sensitive nail beds or anything like that, these would be a great gel polish alternative for you. So after I'm done applying Sea Swing and Sun, I cure for 30 seconds, and I'm going to take I'm using just a silicone pad just to place my electric pink gel polish on, and then I'm also going to use a Beetles thin liner brush. I believe that this is one of the longer ones, and I did buy these set on Amazon, and I will leave the link to that down below. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to dip into the electric pink, and you're going to see me draw on the line. So I'm just going for one of those squiggly line designs. It's super trendy right now, and I think that this is just such a beautiful color. So one of the most amazing things about Nail Addict, if I really just had to pick one, is the pigmentation. I love that when I'm doing hand painted art, when I'm doing French nails, when I'm doing anything with Nail Addict products, I don't have to double coat them. So with this electric pink and the squiggly line and all of even French nails, I don't have to go in and redo my French nail. I hope that that made sense, but the pigmentation is so amazing that you can just get away with doing one coat and top coating and it's all good. So if you're looking for something, some type of gel polish that has extreme pigmentation, then this is definitely the brand for you. As you can see, this is just one layer of top coat and it was absolutely beautiful. Next up, I'm going in with Kiss Me Now, which is the perfect glitter polish. I feel like when it comes to glitter polishes and doing any type of line work, it's very, very difficult because the glitter can be just not pigmented enough. And then you'll find yourself having to do 2 to 3 coats to really get that glitter onto the nail. So you'll see here that I'm just going to trace over the existing line. And as you see, it's extremely pigmented. I barely even have to touch the nail. It's just going on by itself. Absolutely amazing gel polish. If you decide to pick up the collection, you'll be able to get all 6 colors as well as the matte top coat. So all 7 gel polishes, and you'll be able to use code Pressedaholic at checkout for 55% off of your order. And if you decide that you don't want the gel polish, all 7 of them, but you just want 1 or 2 of the colors, you'll still be able to use the discount code, but it will be on 2 or more products, meaning that you will need to purchase at least 2 products in order to use the code. Once I'm done with my line, I will put this back into my UV lamp for another 30 seconds. And then you're going to see me use the matte top coat, which is again included into the 7 gel polishes in this collection. I absolutely love this glitter polish. I love that it's completely full coverage as well as all of the other colors. So you will still be able to use any color that you wish to do the exact same method. All of the pigmentation is exactly the same, extreme full coverage, and the price is literally unbeatable. So here I am going in with the matte top coat. You guys already know that this is the only matte top coat that I use, and the real reason for that is because this matte top coat doesn't clump up like other matte top coats that I have used. I've tried A-Press, I've tried off brands, I've tried Beetles, anything that you can think of I've tried, and they just don't work the same way, or they'll end up clumping up on me at some point. So now I'm going to put this back into my UV lamp for 60 seconds, and this is the final product. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed the demo, and I really hope that you guys decide to switch over to Nail Addict and pick up the collection. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.